In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Microsoft Word documents to Google Docs. Let's open a Word document. This is the document that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to convert this document to a Google Docs file. To do this, launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's take a blank document from here. In the title bar, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Open. In the Open menu, click on Upload. Now click on Browse. Select your Word file and click on Open. According to the size of your Word file, it may take a few moments to upload the file. Here you can see that we have successfully converted a Word document to Google Docs. Following these steps, you can convert any document you want to Google Docs.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.